Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how can you download Kaspersky Antivirus on your computer. So for downloading it, you have to open any web browser. So let me open here Chrome. So now here inside the web browser, search here for the Kaspersky Antivirus. So here you can see the official website of Kaspersky Antivirus is showing. Now click on this. So let's wait till the website is loading. Now scroll down. So here are the plans which are available for Kaspersky are showing here. So here are all the features which it provides. So here are some system requirements. You can hit them from here. So this is all about Kaspersky. So if you want to download it, click on this compare plans and pricing. So let's say if you want to download this for the 1 year, click on buy now. So here you have to fill this form. So after filling this form, you can proceed to the next step and can pay the price, and after paying the price, you can download the Kaspersky. So this is how you can download Kaspersky Antivirus on your computer. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.